what's up? It's Summer here. I have a really fun and exciting video to share with you guys today. Today is our big reveal day. I'm so stoked to show you guys. It's gonna be awesome. If you haven't been watching, then go to the links below and watch part 1 where you can see me transform Courtney's bedroom into a beachy boho oasis. We did all of this for under $400. I will also link all the items below. We did use a lot of items that we found on either OfferUp. We repurposed some items. She had some items in her space that maybe weren't being used as good in other areas, so we took them into her room, and we really made do, and it looks so good, and I cannot wait to show you guys. I hope that you enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoy the process, and stay tuned for more. So I'm kind of crazy, and I keep rethinking this color, and I went and got another color of paint, and it was too brown, and so then I mixed it with my rum raisin, and I think I might be happy. I'm not sure. I'm gonna let it dry, and if I hate it, then I have 3 other colors I could paint it back, or try mixing again. But it's definitely like a more rusty color, which I think is what I want. Okay. So I have this piece of driftwood, or like just a stick. It's not actually driftwood. It's just a stick that I found, and I am going to try and DIY a cool macrame hanging, wall hanging, like piece of art. I would show you step by step what I'm doing, but this is the first time I've done it, so I think I need a little bit more practice before I share with you. But I just got some rope and a stick, and I am going to trusty YouTube to learn how to do this. So once I get it, I will show it to you guys also, and here's where I've started, and I'll show you the after. But hey, I did it, and I think it looks pretty cute, and when we hang it on the wall, I think it's going to be better. I think it just needs to unravel a little bit so this kind of falls more, but I think it's going to be cute, and a little addition, and it's a DIY that I made. Okay guys, so I'm in my car and I'm headed over to Courtney's house. We are on day 1 of our makeover. Today we're gonna kind of use it as a day to prep and organize and clean. And I got my car packed tight with pretty much everything that we are gonna be putting in the space, and I'm super excited, so stay tuned for the rest. Okay, so we are in Courtney's space, and we are just gonna be cleaning and kind of planning out the room, how it should go, and day 1 of prep day. Let's do it. The bed over here, and that's our awesome headboard that finally came out the right color after painting it 3 times. And so we are gonna just like continue to work on this, and we will keep you posted. It's looking so good so far. I'm just hanging up this cool guitar hanger for the wall here. It's gonna look so cute and adds to her little boho vibe, so check it out. So another really fun DIY that I'm gonna try for Courtney's room is I had some of this scrap wallpaper that I thought was really cute and really pretty. Obviously I don't have very much of it, so I was thinking of a way that maybe I could incorporate this into Courtney's space, and we're using a lot of like neutral tones and warm tones, so I think it might be really cute. And since we're doing this on a budget, we're trying to find things in her home that she already had that she's not using. So I found this picture frame that she didn't even have anything in. So I'm actually going to trace it out, put this inside, and draw like a cute little quote on there. So check it out. Taking a little break from the designing and going to get some pizza. I got Rosie. Just taking a quick bike ride to go get some pizza. Got Rosie here and she was riding in the back with me and it was awesome. We're on the Strand in Hermosa Beach and we've got Courtney to say what's up. And we're gonna get some food, take a break, get back to the room. Little beach break while we wait for our pizza. Beautiful day here, sunny California. Good girl, no? Woohoo! So I just got to Courtney's house and we are here and we are gonna do the last minute touches on some things. We're still gonna refinish some furniture and hang some stuff. I'm gonna kick her out so she can be super surprised for the big reveal. And I got her a little gift. She said she really loves sunflowers, which I do too. So I got her some sunflowers, and she also mentioned that she wanted to one day plant some sunflowers by her house. So I got some really cute little sunflower seeds for her to plant just as a little after gift. And so let's get to it. We're gonna finish this bad boy up. So Courtney's rug came in and I'm super excited about this. It's gonna be so cute and it's this beachy boho vibe that we have going on. It's a really cute jute rug that we got from Home Depot and it was only $58, so I think that's a steal. It's actually pretty big, so I'm not exactly sure where we're gonna put it yet. I definitely got it for the bedroom, but while I'm here, we're not gonna be spending any money, but we are gonna try to like revamp a little bit in the living room with just the items that she has. Maybe show her how we can reorganize it to better utilize her space. So we're just gonna keep playing, so stay tuned. Look how cute. It's so cute, oh my gosh, I love it. We're gonna just mess around and play with it and see where we like it. So remember when we put in our wallpaper into the frame, Courtney had this picture frame that was just lying around and there was nothing in it. And so I thought it would be kind of cute if we put it inside and made like a cute little quote on it. So I am going to like Sharpie a cute little quote on there, and we kind of decided to go with YOLO because why not? You only live once, right? So just going to draw this out. Hey guys, so we've got Courtney here and this is her vanity, and we took off the mirror just to make some more space for the room, and we're gonna kind of use it more as like a desk and like a little like she can still use it as a vanity and put a table side mirror on it. But first we're gonna distress it because everything is looking really white in there, and we're doing this renter friendly, so we can't paint it white. So we got this super pretty green color that we are gonna distress it. What do you think?
Love it.
Love it, cool. So we're gonna kind of rough it up a little bit. We are gonna sand it a little bit and use a dry paintbrush, and so let's get to it. Okay, so we finished up sanding. We just roughed it up a bit. We're not stripping it completely. because we're going to be using like a dry brush technique. So we've got our green paint here. I'm just going to pour the paint, and Courtney here is going to help me out. And so as I'm teaching you guys, I'm teaching her too. All right. So I've got a super dry paintbrush here, and we're just gonna lightly go over it. Put this on the ground. Okay, so we just got the dry brush, and we're gonna I lightly dipped it in the paint, and so we're gonna go with the grain of the wood, because we're going for like a distressed effect here, which is also why we didn't fully strip the dresser of its paint. So I'm just going to continue on doing this throughout, and you can see the after. It's time to kick Courtney to the curb. Where you headed, girl?
I'm gonna go take a walk down by the beach.
Sweet.
I'll be back in a little bit to check out the place.
Stay gone a little bit longer so we can finish up all this good stuff in here and surprise you.
Super excited.
Yay, I'm so excited. All right, Courtney, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Okay, so while Courtney is on a walk at the beach, I've decided her room is in here, and that is what we're gonna reveal to you shortly. But I've decided maybe we need to like zhuzh up her place a little bit in here. Of course, we're not purchasing anything for this, but I think that we could utilize this space a little bit better. So here's our before, and let's mix it up a little bit. Let her be really surprised. She knows we're doing her bedroom, but let's see what we can do in here too. Up a little bit. We didn't purchase anything in here. We just kind of decluttered a little bit, and I took some things that I saw around in other places and added to her space. She wants to get new furniture, so I didn't really mess with that because she has this radiator heater which is on the wall and kind of taking up placement, so there's not too much a way we can arrange. But look at, by just removing the curtains and like how much more brighter and open and airy it seems. I just think it's so much better. And I decluttered a little bit for her. She had all of her shoes and stuff there, and I found this cute little thing in the bathroom and hung that here. So Courtney should be coming back any moment, and we are gonna do the big reveal to surprise her, and I can't wait. It's time for the big reveal. Everybody, the big reveal is here. Hi, are you back? How was the beach?
It was good. I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, you gotta close your eyes.
All right.
All right. to show you your new space.
I'm so excited.
Okay, you wanted beachy and dreamy and boho. So open your eyes.
Dude, what? That's so crazy.
Do you love it?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my God, Summer, it looks so good.
And we moved your TV over here, which I know you were a little bit concerned about. But we did the gallery wall, which that's
It turned
originally.
out really good. I love all those pictures.
Yeah, we put some pictures of you up there. I made that little
you make
macrame
that? Oh my
thing. And that's what you originally wanted help with, was the gallery wall. So we still did the gallery wall, and we added to.
I love the sun and the little plant.
Oh my gosh.
And my twinkly lights. You
Yes,
kept those.
kept the twinkly lights. I'm so glad you love it.
Yay.
So much. I'm
This
so
is
excited.
so exciting.
Yay. Thank you so much for allowing me to do this project. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this too, and please subscribe to my channel to continue to watch more videos and see more DIY and more designs. And I hope you guys liked this makeover. We did this all for a $400 budget, and I think it's awesome.
Yeah. Happy 4th.
Thank
Happy
you.
client.
Yay.
Love it.
Thanks guys. Stay tuned.